A Manipur classic at the Kuman Lampak. A rivalry brewing between Trau FC and FC Reangdai. Match number 14 of the Indian Oil Durand Cup. We are live from Imphal. A stage is set then. Another Manipur rivalry in the making. Especially big at the moment because 3 points make sure that the gateway to the knockouts remains open for either of these sides. A loss will mean they drift away from that opportunity. It is Reangdai in white from right to left of your screen, and from left to right is Trau in the traditional red, the red pythons as they call themselves. Froma is in option 2. Goes towards Aftal, but Rocky clears it out. And that was venomous from Silex. Slightly off target. But these kind of attempts can really be troublesome for goalkeepers.
Up from the I-League 3.
Sela Toure. Aftal keeps it in control. And dancing feet coming out from him. Afridi with the chip. Sela Toure. Froma has almost made a clearance from there.
Yeah, very clever. Abdul kept the ball alive towards the back post and putting it back.
Raj. Slightly heavier touch. Might be helpful. The flag has stayed down. Opportunity for middle Dole. Blink and you miss. Mistakes never go unpunished when it's FC Reangdai on the pitch. They punished Navy first, and now Trau. Back-to-back matches, they have the goal first. They have the lead here again.
Here the angel arrives from Arunachal Pradesh. He has shown the glimpse in the game against Navy. And just look at that. The composure. Controlled it on the right foot.
One back by Reangdai. Nicely done there to steal it from Sela Toure. A push on Ronaldo, but play on, says the official. Gone down too easy. FC Reangdai rising in the ranks. And do not fail to surprise every match you watch them. 2-0 it is, and looks too easy for them at the moment.
Just taking the game away from Trau, the Red Pythons. And look at that, great overhead pass. And look at the sluggishness again.
You've already seen a few shots from... Oh wow! Talking about shots! What was that from Akash Mete? He kept trying. And you talk about never bowing down. Akash Mete did not, and he can look high up to the sky. What a way to get the first for Trau. Raki should see it safe.
Now, since the tournament has come to the east, it's been wonderfully organized.
It has. And this man has been in fine form. Middle Dole. Had an option again. He's desperate for the hat-trick, isn't he?
Selfish. Again a missed pass.
And that is one thing they've not done well, Trau. Amarjeet. Kishan looks for the curler. The Witches of Nonne will echo a single name at the moment. Kishan Singh, a prominent name, increases the lead again for Reangdai, and they can have their moment just before half-time.
Beautiful assist from Amarjeet. Just set it up. And just look at that, cushioned. And absolutely is looking for the back post, the top end of it. Sapam.
A former Trau FC player hurting them here. More opportunities their way off the post. Rocky was there, but just past. Sapam is under a lot of pressure.
Oh, lucky. So very lucky. Could have been the fourth one. Just look at that. Brilliant header and Sapam. Absolutely.
Long enough, could be trouble. Has it gone in? Not really. Twice denied. And has the call been given? Yes, it has. The assistant referee had to step in. But Kame Pantiga has been beaten in one of the most awkward manners possible. Not sure if it was Afdal or the initial cross coming in. But it is 3-2.
That was a great long ball and Afdal, lovely run. The keeper of the line, certainly it had crossed the full circumference. And Afdal, lovely run, and Pantiga just failed to palm it away.
Now Bungton, more interested to trouble the man. That can be troublesome. Comeback complete. Complete football. And an impulse special here. They went down to 3-1 in the first half. It's 3-3 before even moving into the final quarter. Manipur is full of surprises. And here's one for you.
A lovely cross in and a bit of fumble from Pantiga.
Kishan delivers. Midul Dole, when the beauty of the Zero Valley meets the Barak in Manipur, football flows, and it's worth cherishing. 4-3, Reangdai back on the lead. Scenes here at the Kuman Lampak, scenes they all love to see. Yeah, highlight that. An all-Indian squad here. And it's full time. From the valleys of Noni to the headlines of Manipur. Gradually turning to be a household name in the state. Top of the table, the spot they maintain. One of the two big guns beaten. And how? 4-3 at full time. Reangdai have the last mile. Trau in sorrow.